This 2018 Keystone Montana 3810 Mega Siemens is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, oven, microwave, air conditioning, water heater, TV antenna, refrigerator, slide-out, TV, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Montana 3810 Mega Siemens is 13,573 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.